Spending time with the elephants today has been absolutely incredible. It's been amazing to see them. Just being able to walk with them has been so exciting.
The elephants seemed so happy. They were foraging, and I think that's behaviour that you would normally never get to see. I loved being able to treat the elephants all day. We were feeding them. We got to walk with them. Two of the elephants went straight into the river and came across, and I was standing on the bridge filming them. And it was so amazing seeing the third one have a bath. And it was splashing and rolling around, and it was just so lovely to see. It's like she didn't want to come back out again.